Hello, welcome back to Nails of Interest. I was rather floored the other day when I saw on Nail Career Education, my beloved Susie was showing people how to use regular polishes with a gel top coat. I've been doing it since I've used gel polishes. I didn't know people didn't know that you could use it. So I'm going to test out 5 brands here. I got Shany, OPI, Clean Color, Sally Hansen Insta-Dry, and Avon Speed Dry. You know I love my fast dry-ins. So we'll test them out. I'll start with the Shany. This is color number 20. I've never used this polish before. Just got it in the other day. Quite the lovely Mother's Day / birthday gift. Oops. As you can see, it's a very, very runny formula. So just apply a very, very thin coat. Wipe it up if you need to. Remember, I am not used to using regular polishes that much. I don't use them. They take too long to me, but they're great for some of the arts. That's why I've got them. Just shake your bottles really well. Remember, non-gels you need to shake, gels you need to stir. This is the OPI brush. These first three are not fast coloring ones. I'm not going to edit out any time on this, so you will know if you need to wait a certain amount of time or not. I used this one in my Valentine's mani. I believe it was one of my first manis that I uploaded for you guys. 139 Pastel Pink by Clean Color. I will only be adding in some music and the color numbers. This is the brush. This one, whew, the odor on it is not the most pleasant thing. I'm used to the no odor gels. Gotta say that is a benefit of a gel, besides the playtime, but this dries like a speed dry. I'm only going to do one coat for the sake of your time and mine. This is the Sally Hansen Insta-Dry, brand new fresh bottle, 383 ASP Apple. I will not edit out any time. Hopefully a birdie will not yell. If I have to edit out anything, I will tell you the exact time that I edited it out. Just apply it very thin. You can do multiple coats if you want. I wouldn't go over 2. Now this polish is over a decade old. This is Avon Speed Dry S400. I'm not even sure if it's still available. I'm showing you it works with old colors too. Mix them up, just like you would to apply your nail. This one has a very, very thin brush. I don't even remember how I used to use this, but this was my favorite toe color for a long time. Apply it thinly. Don't let it flood your cuticles. That is a problem with regular polishes too, not just gels. Remember, this is very old, over a decade. I probably should have refreshed it with the proper chemicals, but just a fun little test. Okay, now this is the 5 polishes. I'm going to use one of my favorite top coats currently, the Modelones, their original formulation. Not the fancier ones with the wooden lids. This is the original. You want to make sure your polish is dry. I can see this one's dry. Touching. That one's slightly tacky. That one's 100% dry. That one's slightly tacky because it is a old formula. So we'll just go with the middle one first, since I know that's 100% dry. I can see it. Don't flood your cuticles, just apply it sort of parallel to your nail. If you put too much on, you'll get heat spikes, that's dry nail. Apply it thinly. You can always apply 2 top coats. Just because it's called top coat, it doesn't have to be your very last step. It's just that protective layer, the shiny layer. It is normally what you put on top. I've used it underneath before. Yes, I've messed my bottles up, used it underneath. Just apply it. If you want your gels to be removable later, you can apply a removable base coat underneath. I haven't found that to be a problem yet. I haven't tried it with regular polishes, but I would assume it should work. I see many, many peelies on Instagram. People peeling off their nail polish. Again, you want a thin coat. You can go back with more, just to make sure you cure it very well. Again, I'm not cutting out any film time. I will be curing this in my favorite Sun 1 UV LED combo lamp that I reviewed in a nail mail video earlier. It is still my 100% favorite lamp of all. And this is just a cheap nail stick I got off of wish.com. Curing that for 30 seconds. Again, I'm using the Modelones 1 top coat, the original brand. You can get it on Amazon. Very good deal. If you find that your polish works with a gel top coat, you can always encapsulate it with something like the Luxio by Accent. This is a Pro Builder in a Bottle. This is their soak-off version. Some gels are not soak-off, so make sure you read your labels well. Non-soak-offs, you will have to file them off. And here they are. They will have a sticky, well, no stick. All 100% cured all the way through to the bottom. I will let these sit for a few days and update you if I get any wrinkles. I'm not intending I will get any. I've done it with this polish before. Same exact color. Did it back in February. And here I will do a builder in a bottle to show you. I'll show you from the profile. These are intended to go on thicker, but the thicker you put it on, the more chances of heat spikes, what everybody calls them. Whoa, that's way too much. Normally I apply it with a separate brush, but this will encapsulate your color and it will stay for as long as your nails stay or until you soak it off. Trying to show you that you can build it up. You can build it up and get quite the apex out of it. Simply turn your nail upside down to form an apex that is very, very smooth. I'm tapping it just to speed things up. I missed a little spot. So this one nail will have added protection on. If you get any wrinkles, bubbles in the builder in a bottle, turn it upside down, wave your fingers. If you want to speed it up, it will make a lovely, lovely, smooth, perfect surface. You can file that down, nuke that for 30 seconds. And you can build with a builder in a bottle. You can keep building up your apex more and more and more. If you forgot to make it to begin with, you don't have natural ones. These are my natural nails now with just a light layer of builder on top to protect them because I can't keep nails for nothing. They will not stay on my hands if I don't have gel on them. But I've finally grown some out. These are my natural nails, my new style. Again, this is not a no wipe, so it will have tacky, but it is 100% cured. I wish you could see in there. It's just a deep, rich luster to it. Again, I'll put these aside. I will let them sit in real life environment. I might put them in the kitchen, get them exposed to some humidity, and we'll see how they hold up after a few days. If I have any problems, I'll come back on and give you a report. I'll put the links to, or I'll put the color numbers down below and the names of each polish. And good luck. Just experiment around with your polishes. Have a little fun. Don't be worried about experimenting a little bit. You can always get fake nails like this to test them out, see if they work before you apply it to your actual nails. I like to do that. It's my way of doing things. You do you, I'll do me. And that's all we can be. We can only be ourselves. Thank you for watching Nails of Interest. I'll be bringing you some nail arts very soon. Just wanted to get that out there to make sure that all my subscribers do know that most regular polishes, if used properly, are compatible with gels. I thought everybody knew. I didn't know it was a thing, honestly. I didn't know you weren't supposed to do that. You see, I didn't even prep the nails. I just applied the polish, no base coat. Bam, right there. That's it. Please hit subscribe down below to see more tests, reviews, tutorials, some cool nail arts I'm coming up with right now. Thank you again for watching and hope to see you here next time. Until then, keep your fingers pretty. You be you, I'll be me. Bye-bye. See you here next time.